Possible funnel cloud. Spinning right on top of us. Hopefully we don't get a tornado. She's in the bathroom taking a shower. We should probably call Wakefield to issue like a tornado warning. National Weather Service. There's a rotating thunderstorm right on top of us. We should probably go inside, but it's too interesting.
Well, it's not dangerous yet.
Not yet.
You know, it's not blowing away.
Is it still rotating?
Yeah, it's still rotating.
It looks like it's dying down.
I don't know about that.
Are they supposed to last a long time? I expected it to last.
Look, there's one over there too.
There's another.
Yeah, wind. The perfect storm.
Pretty good thunderstorm going on. We're in the southwest section of the storm, so this is where the tornado would form.
Hey, if you go outside there, you see us with the
Wonder how much battery I got left.
You can use my camera after this.
Do you even know how to use your camera?
Yeah.
Oh, were you taking film?
Yeah, I was taking a film.
All
I
right.
just put in some rechargeable batteries too.
Looks like it kind of died off now, so I'll stop filming.